What's something you don't like eating? I can't stand eating anything with a slimy texture, like oysters or okra. When I was younger, my mom used to make this dish with okra, and I would gag every time I tried to eat it. I remember one time, I was about 10 years old, and my mom made this dish for dinner. I tried to eat it, but I just couldn't. I ended up spitting it out, and my mom got really mad at me. She told me I had to eat it, or I wouldn't get any dessert. I tried again, but I just couldn't do it. I ended up going to bed without dessert that night. Fast forward to when I was in college, and I went out to dinner with my boyfriend and his parents. They took us to a fancy seafood restaurant, and they ordered a bunch of oysters for the table. I didn't want to be rude, so I tried one. As soon as it hit my tongue, I felt that familiar slimy texture, and I immediately gagged. I tried to play it off like I was choking on something, but my boyfriend's mom saw right through me. She laughed and said, "You don't like oysters, do you?" I admitted that I didn't, and she said, "That's okay, more for us."